Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. On today's lesson, I'll be teaching us on how I got my first NFT. How I got my first NFT. I'll On our next episode, I'll be teaching us on how to flip NFT and how to create NFT. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would advise you click on the subscribe button down, the red subscribe button down, and make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that in case I post that video, you'll not be missing out. Thank you. So how did I get my first NFT? Like, I'll be displaying on the screen what really happened last week, and how much a lot of people actually made from NFT too. Um, I got my NFTs for free. Yes. How do I get my NFT, or how do you get NFTs for free without buying or creating a dime? What you just do is you go to OpenSea.io. You, you create an account with OpenSea. This would actually be your wallet for NFT. So you connect your wallet with your Trust wallet or your MetaMask, any of them, but I choose Trust wallet instead. So you connect your wallet. Let me show you. So this is my wallet. It's connected already. Come to Okay, it's connected. Come to account. Come to profile. Yeah, these are my NFTs. The ones I got of recent. These are my NFTs, and they're properly minted. Yeah, these are my NFTs. So I actually got these NFTs for free. I did not buy. I did not create. How did I got or get these NFTs? All you just have to do is you go to your app store, and download Reddit. Download Reddit from your app store, and make sure you also have Twitter account, because some of them would actually be done on Twitter account. So I have Reddit account. Just download it from your app store, and you register. After your registration, you just come to your Reddit, and you type for NFT giveaway or NFT airdrop, and you see the recent ones in which you want to partake in. So once you just see like this one, you open. There are some that actually comes with tax. There are some that does not come with tax. So you choose the one that is fine with you. So you just paste your ETH contract address. Sorry, your ETH receiver's address, which is this. You just go to your Trust wallet, open the wallet in which you want to use. You come to NFTs by the right hand side, and you click on receive. So this is your receiver's address for NFT, ETH network, Ethereum. So you copy. I am trying to be fast so I won't be wasting your time. So you copy the address, and you go to where the airdrop is. Like this one, you open. They said I should upvote. So you just upvote the post. You come here and you paste the link. I mean your receiver's address, and you reply the post. Before tomorrow, you'll be given this particular NFT for free. I bet you, for free. So some actually comes with tax, some does not come with tax. So it depends on which one you want to partake in. So this is just visually how I got my NFT, and I am still getting more from this place. You can as well get more from Twitter. This NFT looks sweet. So don't mind me. So this is visually how to get NFTs for free. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. because on our next lesson I'll be teaching us on how to create NFT, how to flip NFT. If you don't know what NFT is, the Google is there. I can as well be teaching us on how to on what NFTs are very soon. Um, I'll be sharing on the screen about the news of last week on NFT. Thank you for staying to the end.